The ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA hyaluronic acid is a great skincare product for targeting hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and melasma. In this video, we share how to properly use the ingredient and how to layer with other ingredients from the ordinary skincare line. Alpha Arbutin plus HA is a water-based leave-on serum, so you do not need to wash this serum off. It can be used daily and is suitable for those trying to reduce the signs of hyperpigmentation and age spots. What is Alpha Arbutin and how does it work within the skin? Alpha Arbutin is an ingredient that is derived from plants such as bearberries, cranberries, and blueberries, and works within the skin by interacting with our melanocytes and the enzyme tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is triggered each time your skin interacts with UV light to create more pigment. The tyrosinase enzyme uses melanin to shield your cells from the sun's harmful beams, and this is what creates hyperpigmentation in the skin, especially with excessive sun exposure. The reason Alpha Arbutin is so great for hyperpigmentation is because it inhibits the tyrosinase enzyme, so this prevents excess melanin being released, which reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spots from occurring within the skin. Alpha Arbutin can also help lighten existing hyperpigmentation, fade dark spots, and help melasma. It is also a gentle ingredient and well tolerated by the skin compared to acids and peels, which can cause skin dryness. It is an incredible alternative for darker Fitzpatrick skin types who are more inclined to having hyperpigmentation and can counterbalance blotchy skin tone. How to use the Alpha Arbutin plus HA serum. This ordinary serum is fine to use on a daily basis, and we recommend using in the morning after cleansing. This is because Alpha Arbutin is a tyrosinase inhibitor and will prevent future excess hyperpigmentation from occurring when you are exposed to the sun. Apply 2 to 3 drops into the palm of your clean hands and apply to your face, neck, and décolletage. It is a water-based serum, so it needs to be applied prior to oils and creams, but after cleansing and toning. The order in which you would apply the Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA is cleanse, tone, which is optional, Alpha Arbutin plus HA, followed by moisturizing and sunscreen. Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA works great by itself. However, it can also be used alongside other active ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, or peptides. If you have more than one water-based serum, you can apply based on the priority of your skin concern. So the product that targets the most important concern you have should go first. And it's recommended applying your eye serums or eye creams prior after cleansing. How long does it take to see results? Hyperpigmentation can be very stubborn, and reducing and preventing hyperpigmentation requires significant investment. You won't get results straight away, but have patience and endure everyday use. You will start to see results within 4 to 12 weeks, but this needs to be continued. If you are interested in learning about niacinamide and vitamin C ingredients to use alongside Alpha Arbutin for hyperpigmentation, then make sure that you watch these videos next.